Here we are with the 2019 Sea Ray 190 SPX. This is a great boat for all-around family fun. It has an 8-foot 4-inch wide beam, so it's very stable out on the big water as well, and has room for up to 11 passengers. We always order these with a trailer that is included with the price, along with a swing tongue, all galvanized trailer from Sea Ray. Very nice quality, just like the rest of the boat. In the back we've got a swim platform with a telescoping ladder for boarding, and this particular model comes with a Pro XS Mercury 115 horse, which is plenty to get this boat moving fast. We'll hop up in and I'll show you the inside. Here we are on board. As you can see on the front, you've got plenty of seating for three, two facing forward and one facing aft. Your center seat there also lifts up to access the step for easy boarding on and off the bow, and both of the side seats open up for plenty of storage. We also got two speakers up front that are Fusion speakers, waterproof, that are linked in back to the Fusion stereo system here at the helm. The dash is finished off with very nice stainless steel gauge clusters, as well as a stainless steel steering wheel. Your helm seat has a pop-up bolster for higher seating so that you can see your skiers behind you. On the port side here, we've got a seat that is convertible to face fore or aft, or just be flattened for a sun deck. And then your sunbathing platform back here is the top of what is the engine compartment if you buy an inboard outboard. But with the outboard, that creates tons of storage for all of your ski equipment, wakeboards, really anything you bring with for the day of boating. And then for easy boarding on and off the back, we've got a nice little pass-through here. It goes back to the telescoping stair step.